it doesn't have any color change, but since if you take a piece of paper and you want to do that the color will be outside, I said take a colorful or a Origami paper 20 by 20 centimeters. What we do, please pay attention to the stages that I mentioned before. What I do, I take this edge and bring it to the other edge of the square. But what I fold is only a little bit more than a quarter of the paper here and here. This is what I do. I leave this area clean here because it should be seamless, yes. Now I rotate and do the same. About a quarter. Next step is to bring this lower edge here to the middle and make only a pinch of about 1 inch. Open it and bring it to the pinch and make another one like so. I rotate 180 degrees and do the same. I bring to the middle point, make a pinch here, and another one here. So I have I turn the page, turn on over the page. And what I do now, I look at this point. You see the pinch here. What I want to do is to bring the edge to the pinch, but I want to make it very accurate. This is what I do. And please make the same on the other side. The next step will be to make a valley fold from this point here from this point here to this point. So when I do it, please see what I do and then you fold. I do this, but make sure that, and I do this, I do the same on the other one, on the other side. Please wait until you see what I do. Now, when I have these two, I can make the fold. Okay. I open, I rotate the paper and do the same on the other side. Okay, what I do, I bring this here, make a fold here, On the other side, I do it again. And now when I have these two, I can complete the fold. I open the fold and I want to make a fold on bringing this flap and fold along the fold that I have here. I do it along the fold. Just do it along the fold. Like so. There is a fold here. What I ask you to do now is to reverse the last fold that we did. Please reverse it. And rotate. Now hold with thumb and finger. Hold with thumb and finger the fold and bring it to be on the folded edge here, down. You see, there is a folded edge. Thumb and finger and bring it to be on the folded edge down there. You can see. I open the fold and I do the same with the other fold here. So I flip it and make a fold along the fold that I have here. I reverse it, finger and thumb, and make this. You can see that we have here a nice here. This is what you have to have. You can see that the creases here meet exactly in the center. There is a crease here and a crease here on the other side too. They meet exactly here. You can see they meet here. Yeah, very nice, Andrew. Okay, are we ready to the next step? So I rotate it to be like so, and there is a color change here, you see? So I bring the edge down here, this edge. I bring it to the color change. Exactly to the color change. And make a crease. I bring it to the color change. I open, rotate, and do the same. Bring the lower edge to the color change on the other side. The point of color change, and do a crease. So continue. We actually repeat what we did before. You see the crease here. So I want to make a crease on with this one here, like so, along the crease down there. So this is how it was. And I make, there is a crease here. Now I reverse the fold, if you remember the same technique. I reverse this fold. Thumb and finger, and do a crease to the folded edge down below. Now I take the lower part and do the same. I make a crease along the crease down below. I reverse it, same technique, and finger and thumb it's time to close this so we can make a valley fold from these 2 points here. The next step is there is a crease up here, you see? So I take the edge down here and bring it to this crease like so. And I do the same all around. I reinforced all the exist creases. And now I take it in my hand, and you can see that there is a valley fold here. I want to make sure that it fold nice. So I just check it that everything is okay. Yeah. So if you hold it in your hand, you can see that actually the bottom side is ready. clean, seamless. Now we are going to look on the upper side here. Now, since it is seamless, you have here 4 flaps here. So on 2 of them, there is a crease. 2 of them, there is a crease. One here, and on the one against it. And the other 2 are seamless. So we take the ones with the crease, and there is a pocket here. There is a pocket here. So I insert the other flap with the crease inside it. Inside. And just slide it in. Yeah. See, I slide it in like so. Just slide it in the pocket. This one has a crease, but now the last 2 flaps are seamless. So when I will insert them to the pocket, it will be a seamless cube. So what I do, I open the, sorry, I open the pocket here, and I insert one to the other and slide it. I slide it in. Yeah, and you get your seamless. Sometimes if you cannot, you can use something to help you insert it in the pocket until the end. So here you get a nice seamless cube. You can play with it. You can build towers. Yeah, you can build towers or play with it.